Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the T7S robot vacuum and mop combo. A 2-in-1 marvel designed to make your life easier by seamlessly vacuuming and mopping your floors simultaneously. Equipped with separate water and dust tanks, this robotic cleaner is perfect for all hard floor types, ensuring both wet and dry cleaning to meet your diverse needs. Control is at your fingertips with the Tuya Smart app and remote, allowing you to adjust cleaning modes, set schedules, and even use voice commands via Google Assistant, all while supporting 2.4G and Bluetooth network distribution. With 4 versatile cleaning modes, auto, zigzag, spot, and edge, the T7S adapts to your home's layout, powered by a robust 2000 Pascal suction motor that tackles pet hair and debris without clogging, thanks to its innovative air intake design. Enjoy up to 180 minutes of runtime in quiet mode, and rest easy knowing the vacuum will automatically return to its charging dock when the battery is low or cleaning is complete. Its slim 2.90-inch profile and 15 smart infrared sensors help it navigate around obstacles and under furniture, making it ideal for reaching those tricky spots. Included with the T7S are a remote control, charging dock, water tank, dustbin, side brushes, and more, backed by professional customer service and a 12-month warranty to ensure your home stays effortlessly clean.